Good evening, welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for December 28th through January 6th. Merry Christmas, everyone. We're going to start with the period for December 28th through January 1st. Forecasting here a ridge. We have above normal heights that will eventually occur across the northern latitudes, and we'll have a trough here across the east central states. What you're looking here is a GFS, and we go through the period. I'm having trouble with the models again. We get to January 1st. This is the flow what we expect. We have a broad trough here, ridge, above normal heights here, and also across Greenland. So this pattern will support cold temperatures for much of the central and eastern states. Temperatures of 15 and 25 degrees are forecast. Energy in the northern stream is forecast across the Great Lakes on Friday and into the eastern U.S. over the weekend. The energy associated with the system is expected to phase offshore with a frontal wave with the potential to bring some wintry weather to portions of the eastern and northeastern states. As the storm moves north, it should eventually phase with developing into a surface low over southeast Canada late in the weekend. And the northwest will experience a couple rounds of heavy precipitation. December 31st to January 1st. Here's the 31st. And we look at the models. I have to click individual ones because it's not working correctly. And as you can see here, as we come to that's supposed to be December 31st to January 4th. We don't see much of a change. So this there's not much change in the pattern as forecast. We have a ridge above normal heights across western North America and the high latitudes. Heights are kind of lower here. And a trough of the east central states. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures west of the divide with anomalies of, doing a lot of typos here, of 12 degrees above normal, and I'm forecasting below normal temperatures across this region here with the anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal with a tendency for higher, as you can see here, but I'm downplaying it right now of 12 degrees, but still pretty cold. And for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence across this region is 30 to 55%, and this region will have 30% chance. We have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 30 to 55%. And now we're going to look at the period for January 5th. Let me clear this out. To the 9th, and we're going to go here. This is a GFS, but this is a general trend of the models, and they're forecasting some de-amplification of the flow. But however, we still have a ridge here in the west, trough in the east, but these heights lower here across Greenland. And let's see what the other models show. Same thing. This is GEFS and GFC, and the Canadian showing basically all the same thing that had the heights lower across this region. So for this forecast period, still forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region, but the anomalies will not be as high. Here I'm forecasting anomalies to be about 4 degrees above normal. Here anomalies are forecast to be 6 to 12 degrees. below normal. And for precipitation, for below normal precipitation here and across this region, probability of occurrence here is 30 to 55%, here 30%, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 30 to 55%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 28th through January 6th. I think I had the wrong heading on here. So anyway, that's it for now, and Merry Christmas again.